Looking for a way to earn over $7,000 in pure passive income? Setting up a system that works for you, generating money while you sleep is the key. In this video, I'll show you how to use a free AI tool to create and sell coloring books on Amazon without any costs. Stay tuned as we break down each step in detail. Let's dive in. Step 1. Search for Amazon books. Let's dive into the first step. Open Google and search for Amazon books. Click Enter to access the Amazon Books website, where you'll find a variety of books on subjects like business, technology, health, and more. To set up your passive income stream, type coloring books into the search box and hit Enter. You'll discover various types of coloring books, including unicorn, stress relief, and food-themed ones. For instance, a food coloring book sold over 4,000 copies last month, earning more than $23,000. Amazon KDP retains 40% of the revenue for publishing in hardcover, while the author receives 60%, resulting in a profit of over $14,000 for the month. Publishing these books is free of charge, and once your book is live, Amazon's AI will help promote it to potential buyers. Since Amazon KDP is available in nearly every country, you could potentially earn over $7,000 a month in passive income by following the steps outlined in this video. For this video, we'll be focusing on creating food coloring books using our AI tool, as these types of books sell very quickly. To start, visit erank.com, an Amazon research tool, and sign up for free with your email and password. After logging in, choose the Amazon option and search for coloring book. You'll find that Amazon receives over 80,000 searches per month from the United States alone, our target market. The data shows that over 60% of these searches come from the US, with an average of more than 90,000 clicks for coloring books, giving them a click-through rate of nearly 8%. This confirms that creating coloring books is a successful strategy. Step 2. Use the AI tool Kcom. The second step involves using the new AI tool called Kcom. Kcom is a free online design platform equipped with advanced AI that allows you to create impressive designs, templates, logos, photos, illustrations, and mock-ups in just seconds, regardless of your experience level. I'll guide you on how to use this tool to craft outstanding coloring books for Amazon and establish a passive income system to earn over $7,000 per month. Kcom's AI capabilities assist in generating vector logos, striking images, and clip art through simple text prompts. Once you log into your Kcom account, you'll see the dashboard with various options. You can select from different templates, such as logos, posters, t-shirts, covers, thumbnails, and more. The Tools section allows you to enhance your text, create impressive mock-ups, and access premium fonts for free. Kcom offers a vast array of ready-to-use designs, templates, and covers that you can choose from and customize. You also have the option to search for specific templates or start a new project from scratch. Step 3. Design your coloring book. Click on New Project to navigate to a page where you should choose Pixel and select the Inches option. Next, head back to Amazon Books and check the dimensions of a food coloring book, which are 8.5 x 11 inches. Return to Kcom, input 8.5 inches for the width and 11 inches for the height, and set the DPI to 300 since the books will be printed on hardcover paper by Amazon. Click Create, and you'll be directed to the artboard where you can start designing your coloring book. Most coloring books on Amazon feature between 60 and 100 pages. The more pages your book has, the higher the potential sales. For example, a book with 288 pages sold over 4,000 copies in the last month, generating more than $23,000 in revenue. I recommend creating at least 100 pages to enhance your book's appeal. To design the pages, double-click the page name to rename it. In the Element section on the left, search for a food image, such as a burger. Choose a black and white image for your coloring book. Center it on the page and ensure there's ample margin space. You can adjust the color or add borders if desired. Finally, add a text heading at the top of the page with the name of the food item, like burger, to complete your first page. To make the second page, select the page name, then right-click and choose Copy and Paste to create a duplicate. Rename this duplicate as Page 2 and position it next to the first page. Kcom is compatible with both Mac iOS and Windows, though the shortcuts may vary slightly. For the second food image, use Kcom's AI image generator to create a cartoon-style image. For instance, type ice cream and click Generate Image. After generating the image, remove the background and shadow using the AI background remover and vectorizer tools to convert it into a black and white image suitable for a coloring book. Select both artboards, hold Shift, and then copy and paste them to produce additional pages. Step 4. Design the book cover. Once your book is finished, design the cover by selecting New Project from the Kcom homepage. Set the dimensions to 17.31 inches in width and 11.25 inches in height, then click Create. Choose a gradient background from the Textures option to make the cover stand out. Add food images and text to the cover, drawing inspiration from other coloring books. For the back cover, use black and white images of the foods featured in your book. Once your book and cover are complete, download them. Step 5. Create an Amazon KDP account. Once you've finished designing your book and cover, download the files and set up a free Amazon KDP account from anywhere in the world. Upload your book to Amazon, and you'll start earning money within a few days as sales begin. You can also create various types of coloring books, such as unicorns or relaxation themes, and list them on Amazon KDP at no cost. So, in today's video, we've covered how to use a powerful, free AI tool to create a passive income by designing and publishing coloring books on Amazon. By following the steps outlined, searching for successful coloring books, using Kcom to design and customize your book pages, and then creating an eye-catching cover, you can tap into the market with minimal upfront costs. Once your book is live on Amazon KDP, it will start generating income with each sale, thanks to Amazon's promotion and distribution network. Thanks for tuning in to Profitability Plus. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. What type of coloring book would you be most interested in creating? Something fun and fantastical, or perhaps something relaxing and therapeutic? Drop your answers in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with more tips and strategies for building your passive income, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. For even more in-depth content, stay tuned to Profitability Plus. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.